academy really prepared me as far as it goes to correlate the elements of the crimes to what I'm seeing being committed. I was really prepared for being able to charge people with things and knowing how it tied into Colorado State Criminal Code. So I would say, it really prepared me for the job. I was impressed.
So OJC is basically what I call a package academy. Upon entry into the academy, we provide you with everything. We provide you everything from the duty belt, uniform, handgun, ammunition, books. It's kind of your tuition encompasses everything that you're going to need for the 17 to 18 weeks of training that we present. OJC also excels in a lot of other academies in the fact that we do more than the required post minimum hours. We actually go about 200 plus hours above what other academies do. We offer taser, we offer chemical agent training, pepper ball training, and then other certain courses that are geared more towards smaller agency officers, advanced communications, women in law enforcement, sheriff's office operations, scenarios, extra hours in search and seizure, extra hours in criminal code, are just a few of those areas that we try to give the student more to make them more successful when they make that transition from the classroom to the road.
I think that, like the high stress shooting scenarios that we did where you're having to run and everybody was screaming at you and get your weapon put back together was probably the most impactful, to know that you can still function.
The academics, criminal code, there's so much of it, and to get it in such a small time period to read it and understand it, it's pretty difficult.
Building searches, definitely, and collection of evidence classes really got me inspired to want to be a cop.
Be ready for long days and a lot of information in short periods of time sometimes.
I had read online that they just opened this academy up. I came and met with Director Fraker. I was pretty impressed with what I saw, so I signed up immediately.